Good morning, future educators. I want to start off this presentation by asking you a question. Do you want to be a culturally responsive teacher? Do you want to make a difference in the lives of all students? Do you want to decrease the achievement gap among culturally and linguistically diverse students? Then, ladies and gentlemen, Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain by Zaretta Hammond is the book for you. The book includes information on how one's culture programs the brain to process data and affects learning information. It includes 10 key moves to build students' learner operating systems and prepare them to become an independent learner. Last but not least, it includes prompts for action and valuable self-reflection. More specifically, the book includes concepts on dependent and independent learners, the Ready for Rigor framework, the levels of culture, culturally responsive brain rules, creating a culturally responsive community for learning, how to build trust and rapport among your students, becoming a warm demander, how to give wise feedback, how to shift our students from having a negative mindset to an academic and growth mindset, the neuroscience of information processing, and building intellective capacity. Future educators, this book will give you tangible and authentic tools to truly make a difference among all your future students. It will give you opportunities to create a community of culturally responsive educators, to build on the knowledge and to spread on the knowledge of working with culturally responsive students. Ladies and gentlemen, this book teaches and allows teachers to lift up and to inspire all students, knowing that our young students are the future of not only this nation, but the future of this world. Thank you for listening. Please purchase Zaretta Hammond's book today.